Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Plus for January. Happy New Year everyone, happy 2023. I hope you are excited about this upcoming year. I sure am. I feel like it's going to be a good one for all of us. I hope that is true. I hope you're well. I hope you had a safe, happy, fun holiday season. I've been having a lot of fun. I feel like my voice might sound like it. I've been in party girl mode. I'm family in town and stuff like that. It's been super fun. So yeah, if my energy's a little off or my voice is a little off, it's all for fun reasons. But you guys, the bag's so cute. Let's look at this one first. It is so soft. I love the purple. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. The purple and that green. Oh my god, I can just keep touching it. It's so cute. And then the Ipsy Plus, look how beautiful. Like little violets, or I don't know what exact flower it is, but whatever it is, I like it. I really like the purple and this like chartreuse color together. Super, super cute. So I will link Ipsy down below. I do get this sent to me free for review, which I'm so grateful for, but not sponsored or affiliated or anything like that. So I'm just gonna leave their website down below if you're interested. The Glam Bag is $12 and this one's like $28. In the Glam Bag you get 5 items. You get to customize one of them. It's mostly deluxe, but you get some full size sometimes. I always recommend this to beginners or like to the beauty box world. People just want to start out because I think it's great. You get at least $50 worth of value in this one. And then in the Ipsy Plus, the one that's like a little less than $30, you get 5 full-size items. You can customize 3 out of the 5 if you want to. You don't have to. But yeah, I'm sure you guys, most of you at least know all about that Ipsy. So we'll just leave the description at that. Again, link is down below. And I am super pumped. So we'll do an unboxing of both of these. And then as I touched on in last month's Ipsy video, I'll do a little review of the items I have tried. I didn't try too many because I used some as like Christmas gifts and stuff like that. But I did find one I know I've been using like every day. So stay tuned for that. But let's start with unboxings. The theme is the year of you. I love that. Forget reinvention, throw resolutions out the door, never mind starting over. This year, just focus on doing you and discovering whatever makes you happy, perfecting your skincare routine, experimenting with nail art, finding time to read, or reconnecting with friends. I love that. And then there's another little thing here about making yourself a priority. Create a self-care bucket list of ideas. That's so fun. And then they want to know, you could share online how we're adding mindfulness, relaxation, and fun to our daily routines. And they're going to give us some items to help with that. So let's start off with this bag. So soft, so cute. So here's a little peek. So one of these items came outside the bag, but I definitely think it's meant to be in the Ipsy Plus. So we got a brush. I think brushes are full-size items, but when we get brushes in the Ipsy Plus, it tends to be a pack of them. So this is by Half Caked, and this is their number 816 crease brush. Now I told myself that I'm not allowed to keep any brushes because I desperately, like months and months of dirty brushes have to clean. So I'm not allowed to. So this will be going in an upcoming giveaway. If you guys are new here, well, hi, welcome, and welcome back to everyone else. But I do a giveaway monthly as a way to say thank you for all your support because I am so grateful for all of you, and I want to give back. So next up, we have by Dew of the Gods, Feels Mini, Squalane and Oat Milk Daily Erase Facial Scrub. Ooh, nice. Look at. I was kind of like my nails. Do you like my nails? I got them done like this for New Year's, and I really like it. So, hi, Emmy. My cat's about to join. Come here. Diamonds are cold. Gold is overrated. Silk is just a fabric. Don't pretend. Feel what's real. So this is microdermabrasion crystals. Ooh, I'm excited about this. I like to exfoliate like once a week. Physical exfoliant. I do use some like AHAs sometimes too. I'm just gonna leave that in the box. It's just a little deluxe size, but this, you don't really need a lot. This probably lasts a while. So next, look, we have a NARS product. Did I show you that upside down? But this is the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dolce Vita. Oops, I was just thinking, I don't only have a lip pencil. I forgot to add in anything else. Oh, cool. I was thinking it was like lip liner. I like these. Look at that color. Let's do a swatch. Should I put it on? It might not match me right now, but so this is what it looks like. That's really pretty. Can I use my screen? Sorry, I'm not looking at you. I like it. Probably didn't do the best job. That's okay. Pretty. Yay, that's awesome. So I'll have to continue using that and let you guys know. There's another full-size item in here. This is, what does this say in here? I feel like I saw this brand before. Why can't Reblade? Sorry, I don't know. It's like in that font. What does it say? I think it's by Rebelde. Rebelde. Rebel Eye Definer Pencil. And it looks like this is in black. Yeah, so I'm not going to swatch this right now because I have one open. So if you guys have tried this, let us know. Because I try and just have one open at a time, but usually I have like more than that. Okay, I try not to be wasteful, and I like giving back to you guys too. But the last item in here, this is like a mini palette. So I don't know, would you consider this full size? I like these. They're so convenient for traveling and stuff like that too. So Ariza Beauty Nebula Shimmer Eyeshadow. Those are the colors. So I'll take the plastic off if I can easily, because this will probably go in a giveaway, which, by the way, yeah, stay tuned for the end of this video. I think we're going to do it in this one you're watching. But those are the colors. Hopefully you can tell. So looks like there are 3 shimmers. Should I take this off and show you? Yeah, okay, wait, I found a way to do it, I think, easily. I was like, I'll show you. I just won't swatch it. Yeah, 3 shimmers and a matte. That's really pretty. I really like those shades. That would look good with the lip product that came in here too. Awesome. So that was everything that came in the Ipsy Glam Bag. So that's a lot for $12, right? I think that's awesome. I have this like fear that I'm wrong about the price, because you know a lot of things went up like $1 or so, but like it's definitely around that. It's affordable. Let's move on though now to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now I'm just gonna grab an item. Hey Honey Sweet Treat. I don't think I've tried this, but oh my god, it's their wild berry and honey yogurt recovery mask. I just had like a flashback to a skincare mask, I think, that by the same brand that I liked. So it says restore the appearance of dull skin impacted by environmental factors. Nice. I'm excited to get skincare. The skincare I got before, I kind of mentioned it, I've given away to family and giveaways too. So 15 minutes to new skin, rich antioxidant, restorative treatment, reviving dull and tired looking skin. Naturally formulated recovery mask with antioxidant ingredients, restores skin elasticity and helps soften the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while enhancing barrier properties with vitamin E and protecting against environmental damage. Oh, it's cute too. Did I try that? I don't know. There was a product I really liked by that. It's like seriously a flashback to a few years ago. I know it's on YouTube somewhere, but I don't know. So awesome. And then Tarte C. So this is a Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Hydrant. So this is a moisturizer. I've tried this before. I really like it. Hi, Emmy. Come here. Hi. So it's in like a little jar. It's made with hyaluronic acid. Yeah, you can see what it looks like right there. I'm actually almost out of moisturizer, so this is good timing. Hi, Emmy. Come here. Oh, hopefully she'll show up. I know some of you guys like seeing her. Oops, I'm on the wrong. I think that's in French. Hyaluronic acid and electrolytes awaken and refresh skin. Cooling water-based gel is lightweight and non-greasy. Helps soften and plump the skin's appearance. Yeah, I'm excited about this. I think I will use this next. I probably have like a week left of my other moisturizer. So again, I will do reviews in next month. I think there'll be more mini reviews at the end because I'll try more items. It's just been a busy time, you guys know. Milk Makeup, did we get a sample of this? I think I put this in a giveaway recently, but I've never tried this mascara. It's the Rise Mascara, Lift, Length, and Volume. I think I did get a smaller size of this, but this is what the brush looks like. I'm glad they show it there, because I don't like just like with the liner, I don't want to open this, but I can't even show you, but opening it, I feel like contaminates it kind of. I don't know, but cool. Have you guys tried this? I think it has a red color. So this is the shade is Elevate. I'm guessing it's a black. Let's see. Ooh, this is a cool tube. It's kind of like, you can do like ASMR with it maybe. I was thinking about, is this just stored in here? Is this what it looks like? Yeah, that's really cool. I like that. I was about to go off on a tangent how I want to do ASMR, like tarot videos, maybe. But anyways, let's move on to the next item here. Oh, I've tried this a long time ago, and I just finished my vitamin C serum last week. Perfect timing. Flora & Bee Nectar of the Sea Vitamin C Serum. I have been using one I got in a different box. I can't remember what one. Maybe it was this, I don't know. But I just finished one recently. I'm so blanking on the name. But I'm excited to get this. I tried this. I tried a few of their products. Like years ago, they sent me a few things, and I really like this brand. And they're cruelty-free, sustainable, 100% vegan. They give 1% to charity from with every purchase. It has 10% vitamin C. Did I say that? But I'm really excited about this. So it's will give you brighter, glowing skin, diminishes the look of dark spots and wrinkles. So yeah, I like using vitamin C, so I'm super stoked. Yeah, I'm gonna have a lot more reviews. So it's been a while since I used this one specifically, but I know I liked it, so yay. And then last but not least, we have one more item here, and this is by Shanna B. Miami. It's a lip gloss, limitless long lip gloss with hydrating formula, and it's in the shade Besitos? Besitos? Why does that sound so familiar? Is that a Spanish word? I would love to learn. I'm going to Spain for 3 days and then Italy for like 11 days or something like that. I'm so excited. I want to learn both languages. This is pretty. I'll swatch this. I'm going to have so many more items to review for you next month, you guys. Because let us know if you tried any of these items today, too, for everyone watching and for myself, too. Ooh, it smells good. It's like the vanilla-y type scent. These will go good together. I guess we have to put in, ooh, so pretty. I miss doing swatches. I don't do them as much now. Maybe I should start keeping more products, but no. I like it. So that was everything, you guys. Tell me what you think. I really like this month a lot. I'm super excited. I got 2 skincare items I really need and I enjoy. I've tried them both before and I'm excited to use them. I've never had the full size of either, so that's really exciting. I really like this NARS lip pencil. Beautiful color, like super stoked about that. Honestly, everything is great. So I'm really excited about all these items and the ones I won't keep, I'm still excited about because I will share them with you or some loved ones. And you guys are my loved ones too, just FYI. So yeah, that's it. Now for the little recap from December on one item I have on my eyes right now, I use all the time. Back in the day, I was not a fan of like cream pencil things. I like to just take my time, do like a half hour longer like eye look with like the most beautiful palettes. Like I still love them, but I reach for this. It's so easy. I like to just get ready quick these days, and I just really like this shade of this and everything too. It's just been so easy and so pretty. This is the Tarte Quick Stick in Rose Gold Luster, and then it has a brown eyeliner on it. So I have it on now. It's probably not like the best job, but it like highlights your eyes. It looks really pretty and shimmery. Again, so easy. It goes on effortlessly. And then the brown really complements it. I just have been using it on my on the top lash, not on the bottom. Sorry, I couldn't get that out. But I've been using this almost every day. I think there was like one night I went out and I used an eyeshadow palette. But this has just been so easy and effortless, and I'm going to continue to reach for it. I'm pretty sure I've gotten this in the past or like a different color, maybe even the same, I don't know. And I passed it on because I literally used to have these and they'd just be sitting in my drawer and I wouldn't reach for them. But now it's like more my speed. I really like it. And then I think the only other item I've tried that I didn't give away or something was the masks. I used this on New Year's Eve. I put one in the fridge. This is by Patchology, the Serve Chilled Rosé Sheet Mask. And I was a little like hungover. I've been going out a lot. I was like feeling a little hungover. You know what's nice when you're hungover, or all the time when you're hungover, your skin looks a little like dry, not the best. This, and I like along with being hydrating, putting it in the fridge really like made me look less like puffy, and then I looked more hydrated, and I was like ready to go. Even if I didn't really feel ready to go at the moment, I looked ready to go, and I went out, and then it was fine once I was there and had some drinks and just continued the party. But I really like this. So it's made with resveratrol, which is cute because it's in rosé. I mean, like it's in wine, you know. Hyaluronic acid and strawberry extract. So yeah, really like this. So I'm thinking I'm gonna keep like most of them for me and put like one in the next giveaway. Let's transition to giveaway. So let's make this video a giveaway video. I wasn't really planning on that because I know said I was just gonna choose a random video every month now. But I feel in the mood to give away stuff, and a lot of the stuff I'm gonna give away is from like last month or this month, or I don't know, who knows? It's a surprise. So if you guys are new to this, again, hi, welcome, how are you? But I do a giveaway every month to give back to you guys, and what I do is I just take some of the items I've gotten from boxes, and I fill up a like USPS priority mail bag full of stuff. And then so the giveaway is open to all subscribers, so it's really simple, easy rules. Number one, be a subscriber to the channel, so make sure you're subscribed, and then like this video, and then leave a comment on this video. And I'll have this open all month, so until January 30th, right? Or is there a 31st? It's just the 30th, right? I don't know, whatever, the end of January, I'll put that down below, and I'll pick a winner on February 1st. So open to all subscribers, and you can come back and comment daily if you want to. But yeah, I'll use a random comment generator, and it will pick a comment, and I'll make sure that commenter follow the rules, so make sure they're subscribed. And then I will pin that comment, and I'll also post on my community tab and say who the winner is, and I'll like take a screenshot of the app I use to pick a random winner, and then you'll have like 48 hours to get back to me, and you can email me your shipping address, and it'll be out the door to you in no time. I just like to say like within 48 hours, so if I don't hear back, I will select another winner. So thank you all for your support. Thank you for being here. Again, I'll leave all the information down below, but hopefully it's pretty straightforward how to enter my giveaways. I love you guys so much. Again, Happy New Year. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I already pretty much told you or asked you guys to like this video and comment, but I would love to hear from you too. But yeah, best of luck with the giveaway. Let me know how you're doing. Happy New Year. I love you so much. Bye.